Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make spicy sauce for noodles. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need chili flakes, fresh garlic, and a good quality soy sauce. Also, make sure you have a neutral oil on hand, like vegetable or canola oil, as this will be key to our flavor. Finally, grab a small mixing bowl to combine everything easily. This quick preparation sets us up for success. Now, let's craft the heart of our sauce. Begin by finely mincing about 2 cloves of fresh garlic. This provides a wonderful aromatic base. Next, in your small bowl, combine 1 generous tablespoon of your favorite chili flakes with the minced garlic. To perfectly balance the heat, stir in 1 teaspoon of sugar. This combination creates a rich, flavorful foundation for our sauce. This next step is where the magic happens. Heat about 1/2 cup of neutral oil in a small saucepan until it just begins to shimmer, but not smoke. Carefully pour this hot oil directly over your chili, garlic, and sugar mixture in the bowl. You will hear a wonderful sizzle as the hot oil instantly infuses all those incredible flavors, releasing their full potential into the sauce. To complete our delicious sauce, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar to the mixture. Stir everything thoroughly until all the ingredients are well combined and the sauce has a consistent texture. This easy, flavorful sauce is now ready. Drizzle it generously over your favorite hot noodles, stir it in, and enjoy a wonderfully spicy and aromatic meal in minutes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.